Okay, previously we did NZD USD, and I promised to do Euro GBP, and this is a weekly chart. So the first thing that we are doing, we are customizing the MT4. You right click, go to properties, bar down we are putting red. That is the candlesticks that are moving downwards. A bull candle means a bullish movement, so that is an upward candle, so we are putting green. That is the lime. Then a bear candle, that is the bearish movement. That one is red. Then we go to the common settings. Under common settings, we are not using the bar charts, we are using candlesticks. So we set the candlesticks. We want also to see the ask line. So the ask line, we are putting the ask line. Then we remove the grids, they look bad, so we remove the grids. Then this is our chart now. Okay, we go directly to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, that is where we start. Then we shall go to the 4 hours. Then our entry, we will place our entry using the daily time, that is the hourly chart. The principle still applies here, so we are buying cheap and selling expensive. There is one trader that is running under this chart, okay, on the other broker. So it's Euro GBP. Let us see whether our editor is working. The editor was not working. Still the editor is not working. I have restarted this MT4, but editor today seems to have issues. But I will use okay, we are buying cheap, selling expensive. And if you check the daily time frame, remember that we are on daily time frame, then we shall move to other time frames. This was the highest point that this market reached. Now then we can mark the lowest point. So the highest point is the most expensive, so that pair was expensive when it was at that point. Then there was a pullback and a retracement, and that's why it formed this week, and again you can call it a tail. We want to predict this. First thing is to check the trade. You must mark the trade, because that is what we are having some okay. I'm not going to use that. As you can see, it's rejecting. I don't know what is happening. Okay, the MT4, I think we should first restart this MT4. I'm having issue with my MT4. MT4, so I'm restarting the MT4. Or let me refresh first. let me go to view, then market word toolbars, all of them, they are there. Okay, I'm having trouble with my MT4. Let me close this MT4 and restart it. Close the window. Let me restart. Let me see whether it will connect. I am loading the editor. Yeah, it's online now. Let me see whether the editor is working. Let me see whether okay, now we are good. So that is the trade. The first thing is to check the trade. Then it's an up trade. Don't forget that the GBP is a little bit stronger than euro, but we said that with that theory we are still checking whatever that is happening in the market, not the interest rates, not the stock market. So we are going with the price action in this. So 2023, this year, we are expecting this market to come down. So this currency is already expensive. So what we will do is we will sell this currency, even though it is giving an uptrend. So we must use a breakout strategy on a small time frame, that is either hourly chart or 15 minutes. Okay, I want to check to hard time frames. Okay, we are on time frames. I have added, so we are using the daily time frame. Mark, let me see. We are having connection issues. So this market will hit there, that is the trend line, then it will bounce up. Then remember, this is the highest point. We cannot buy at this position, so we will look for the failure swing on a small time frame, then we can sell this market. We check it on as you can see, we check it on 4 hours chart. Four hours is still giving us an uptrend. Having that was the original one. We have another trade there, having that one. We have this one. So this market might hit there, then comes down. For me, I will wait for this market to come to this point, then I can place my trade. With this, you can use either breakout or the failure swing. They are still we have covered those. You can check either the one that is the video that is titled either failure swing or breakout strategy. We have covered that before. Okay, so we go again to hourly. I delete all these, then to hourly chart. Hourly chart again, as you can see, we have a failed swing on the upward movement. So the swing has failed. So this is what we do. You draw the trend line. You can see the swing has failed. So this is typically a sell, and since the daily time frame has confirmed a sell, we can still have a short. We can go short, but still make sure that your stop loss is you have a stop loss at that position. So there, stop loss. Then the take profit, we can target this level. We have this level as our target. Okay, so okay, we move. I'm not getting what yeah, I needed this. So this one will be our take profit. So even now, this confirms an entry. The failed swing here confirms an entry, but we can wait for this market to come to that point again. Then it fails, then we can trade it at the lowest. So the currency, the conclusion that we can make from this analysis or pattern is that you have to wait. You will have to wait for the currency to behave, to form one wave or two. Then you use the failure swing. You enter the market at this point. At this point, this one will be the sell. That is either tomorrow or some like 12 hours from now. That will be around 12 candlesticks, which is okay. So see you. We shall move to another thing next time.